What's up, guys? I want to show you guys this property here. One of my mentees just bought. So what we doing right now, we bought it. So we coming in, we're gonna clean everything out. And actually what we're doing is adding a bedroom, right? So we adding a bedroom so we can increase that rent $400 to $600 a month. All right, come on, follow me, let's go. Got a dumpster where we come and we take everything out the property, you know, like clean everything out, the yard, all the debris, all that stuff. All right. All right, come on, follow me. Follow me. Right here, we got a half bath. We got a half bath right here. Here's the living room area. Let's walk through the kitchen and we'll just walk our way. So we'll go through the kitchen. This is what it looks like. We're gonna clean all this stuff up. Got the fridge here. Nice fridge, tap it, you know. Garage here, 2-car garage. Boom, nice house. It was a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. So let's go here, around. Actually, right here was the sunroom. This was the sunroom, so we actually turning this into a bedroom. So we framing all of this stuff out right here. And it was a window here. So the window that was here, we actually got that window here now. Okay, so we framing all this out. Sheetrock, put some outlets in, and then yeah, we're gonna build a closet. So the closet gonna be here. So now that's gonna be the 4th bedroom. This is how we add value, guys. Of course, next, actually we got a bedroom downstairs. So let me show you this bedroom. Let me show you this bedroom downstairs, then we'll walk upstairs. The master is on the main level. So we got the master here. All right, so we got the master bedroom. Got your tub here, your shower. And here's your closet. You know, we got the window in the closet. All right. Now let's go upstairs. Show you guys upstairs. Bet you can't beat me. All right, so what we're doing, we're painting, actually painting up here. Closet here. We got your bathroom there. All right. Got your bedroom in here. We gotta get some new blinds because these are tore up. All right. And we got another bedroom in here. So actually look like we got done painting this room. So we actually did paint here. Okay. So yeah, it's nice. All right. So let's walk back down. All right, so guys, that's this house here. It's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath. So my mentee paid $15,000 for this property. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this and buy these properties and put them on Section 8, comment or DM me mentor, and I'll be glad to be your mentor. Let's go.